Hey crochet lover, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video, I'm going to show very beautiful and amazing style crochet work, granny squares, designs, ideas. Hope so you like this video. Hope so you like this all the beautiful design and patterns ideas. So please watch this video till end and please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Granny square classic charm crochet granny square ideas. Stitch a piece of history. Traditional granny square patterns, designs, ideas. Hope so you like this video. Vintage vibe crochet a granny square with classic color. Modern twist create a granny square with bold bright colors. Floral fantasy design a granny square with flower patterns. Geometric crochet a granny square with modern shapes and colors. Let's get started. Create a granny square with me. Round by round we will create a beautiful timeless square. Add some textured crochet crystals, shells and different accessories you use and decor your granny square. Make it your own, customize with color, yarn and stitches. Join the square and create a blanket, bags, cushions cover, pillow cover, bed sheet and many other ideas. And add some embellishment. Create crochet borders, tassels or applique works. And that's a wrap. Your granny square is complete. Thanks for stitching along with me. Happy hooking and stay cozy. Some additional ideas to highlight. Stitch a story. Create a granny square with different symbols. Add some sparkly crochet granny square with bold braid, sequins and metallic yarn. And make this all the beautiful granny square ideas. Hope so you like this all the tips and tricks and different detailed videos and different ideas. If you want to see more information videos, so please visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas about crochet work and knitting work. And please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon and then press option all to alert my daily routine videos that I have uploaded daily for you. Keep watching my more different ideas till end and keep praying for me. May Allah will live long, stay happy and stay blessed for me. If you want any question, if you want any idea about these all the collections, so please tell me in comment section. I will upload it full DIY tutorial for you. Thanks for joining us today. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell and then press option all to write my daily routine videos that I upload daily for you. Happy crocheting. Take care. Okay viewers, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.